Hi everyone, welcome to our Language Training Center, a new concept English classroom, and today we will learn new concept English book 2, lesson 13. Sağlaşlı yaxşımızlar. Şu gayetli tarbiyalash markazimizniki Yeni O'quv ingliz tillari ders xonasiga kelganlarni qarshi olamiz. Endi bugun şu Yeni O'quv ingliz ikinci qism 10. dersi günümüz. Avvalanda bu dersimiz başlashdan burun oldin qatimliq darsimizda o'rgangan intayin muhim bo'lgan nuqtalarni bir qatim qisqa takrorlab o'taylik. Okay, birinchisi nima? Read and spell. Okay. Endi bu spell qilib beramiz arkadaşlar. Okay. Bu so'zlarda qanda qaysi so'zlar? Men o'ttirdik emasdan T bilan boshlangan nima? T. Okay, turn. Okay. Yaxshi. Turn deganimiz nima? Masalan, shu note. Note. Shunaqa turn. Keyingisi deserve. Good. Deserve deganimiz nima? Masalan, arziydi shunaqa. Masalan, you deserve it. Sen shunga loyiq. Sen shunga arziysan shunaqa. Good. Next one is lawyer. Yaxshi. Lawyer. Good. Lawyer. Okay, lawyer deganimiz nima bo'ladi? Lawyer deganimiz advokat. Advokat. Okay, and keyingisi bank. Banka. Salary, maash. Maash nima? Salary. What? Immediately. Okay, immediately. Immediately. Derhal shunaqa. He gave it immediately. Okay. Luck. Luck degan tali degan gap qo'y. Okay, captain. Okay, the captain. Okay, kapitan. Okay, sail. Okay, sail. Shu dengiz chiqmoq, dengiz safar qilmoq. Harbor. Okay, harbor deganimiz nima? Port. Okay, proud. Masalan, I'm proud of you. Okay, proud degan nima bo'ldi? Proud degan faxrlanmoq shunami? Important. Okay, important. Xo'sh, endi important deganimiz nihoyat muhim degan gap. Xo'sh, endi so'zliklarni nima bo'pti? Mas jumla qarab boqaylik. Agar mushlar ishiltib bir jumla tuzib bolalar. Masalan, I leave for Shanghai tomorrow. Okay, nima deymiz buni? I will leave for Shanghai tomorrow. Men erta Shanghai qarab qanday qilma? Yo'lga chiqaman. Yo'lga chiqmoqchi. Agar leave for somewhere deganimiz Alloh soatimizni bo'lgandik, nima bir yo'lga chiqmoq. And she not go to Japan next year. Okay. And now inkar qilishmi? She will not go to Japan next year. O kelarsa Yaponiyaga bormaydi. What about this? Okay. When will she leave for Beijing? Ular qachon Beijing qarab qanday qildi? Yo'lga chiqdi. Yoki ular endi qachon Beijingga bormoqchi? Shunami? Beijingga bormoqchi. So when will she leave for? Good. Andaqda ma'o o'tgan soat tugangan bularni nima desanlar? Kelgusi zaman. Ya'ni future tense. Bu will bilan shall'ninki bir azroq ishiltish farqi bor arkadaşlar. Mushunga bir diqqat qilsanlar. Masalan, birinchisi qaranglar, she, okay, buning nima? She will go shopping. She will go shopping. She will go shopping. Okay, endi nima demoqchi? U multiple chiqmoqchi. Okay, endi bu yerga oygacha. Oyga nima qilganda endi nima desanlar? She will yoki she shall. No, I will yoki nima? I shall degan gap. Shunami? Okay, endi mesela she will not go shopping endi buni inkor etsa. Endi bu savol shaklida nima desanlar? Will she go shopping? Demak, endi will ni oldiga o'tsak savollardan will ni keyin nima qilib qo'ysak nima bo'ldi? Inkor. Foreign shunami? Endi mana egisi birinchi shaxs birov olsa, masalan, I shall do my homework. Yoki I will do my homework. Bularni men ingliz tilida shu shall, birinchi shaxs birlik bilan ko'plikka shall keladi. Masalan, shall we? Shunami? Shall we dance? Okay. Shall we dance? Okay, demakchi endi tan so'yinsak bo'lamdi degan gap. Mana shall we dance. Demakchi bu shall deganimiz birinchi shaxs, uchinchi shaxs. Lekin Amerika ingliz tilida qanday desanlar o'xshash shiltiy bo'ldi. Hammasi qanday desanlar will. Birinchi shaxs bo'lamdi, ikkinchi shaxs bo'lamdi, uchinchi shaxs bo'lamdi. Qaysi shaxs bo'lsa zodi hammasiga will kelgan gap. Okay, endi nima desanlar I shall yoki I will not. I shall not do my homework. Okay, endi men topshiriqimni qanday qilmayman? Ishlamayman. Agar savol bo'lsa, shall I yoki will I do my homework? Bu asosan shu BP bilan qayta asosiy o'xshab qoldi. Xo'sh, next one is lesson 13, the Greenwood Boys. Okay, the Greenwood boys. Okay. Ansa şu Greenwood boys'niki yeni sözlerini öğrenip bitaylı. And bu Greenwood boys nima? Sana a group of pop singers. Okay. And a group of bir gruppa pop degan moda musiqalar nama pop singers. Şu group of pop singers deyimiz amna. Şu bir gruppa moda musiqa atirdi. Xo'sh, amsa yeni sözlerini bir öğrenip chiqaylik valla. New words. Okay. Look at today's new words here. First one is group. Okay, group. Okay. And group degan uygurcadan barga group degan gap shunami? Group degan nima desang, shu bir gruppa. Mesela group 1 birinchi gruppa. Okay. Yani blood group qon guruhi. Har xil qon guruhi. Ana blood type degan o'xshamaydi, valla. Qon guruhi deymiz. Yani a group of tourists. Okay. A group of degan bir gruppa. Tourists degancha sayohatchilar demakchi bir guruh sayohatchilar bir atrat sayohatchilar degandek. Masalan, he is a member of this group. Okay, and bu nimaniki bu guruhniki a'zosi. Uningdan nima guruhniki masalan guruh shirkatlar bor. Bir necha masalan old shirkat birlashsa bir guruh shakllanadi. Shu guruh nima group deymiz. Okay, group. You know, he's a member of his group. Okay, what about this? You know, her group worked him through the discovery. Okay. And now onun grupsi shu bayqashni texmo ilgari surish, texmo yaxshilash uchun qanday qilyapti? Ishlaydi. And demak group degan nimaga bo'la? Guruh nima? Okay. Next one is pop singer. Okay, pop singer. Xo'sh, endi pop singer deganimiz moda naqshchi. Okay, pop singer. Maokima. Okay, you know, some popular song. Okay, popular song. You know, okay, pop singer. Like he's very famous Chinese pop singer. Also, you know, Chinese pop singers also appear in the movies. Okay, hozir qanday ba'zi davlat naqsh cho'lponlar bor qanday kino yuzida paydo bo'ldi, shunami? Okay, amalchi. Okay, Ricky Martin also very famous, man. Ricky Martin is very famous, a pop singer. You know, I'm a fan of American hot pop singer Ricky Martin. Okay, and I'm fan of. My fan degan fancy degan gap shunami? Mastanisi. Yakini shuniki hamda muxlislar yarab qo'yamda. Fan, big fan degan cho'ng bir nimasi muxlisi degan gap. American hot pop singer. Okay, Amerikalik night qiziq hot deganimiz night intayin qiziq degan gap. Intayin moda naqshchi aytqichi Ricky Martin'ninki naqsi qana oshiq degan. Okay, what about this? Maybe a lot of people know David Beckham, but few people know about Victoria Beckham. Okay, Victoria Beckham, who is this? Okay, you know, he's Beckham's wife's name. Victoria Beckham deganimiz Beckhamning ayoli shunami? Omma albatta nima desanglar, omma intayin tanliq bir moda naqshchi. Nima Victoria Beckham is well-known pop singer in England. Okay, intayin tanliq well-known degan famous degan well-known. Demakchi tanliq bir nima moda naqshchi. Nerede? England'ga. Bizden Şinjan'da Abdullah. Yani Abdullah is very famous pop singer. Şunama? A very famous pop singer. Yani Mümincan. Mümincan also a very famous pop singer in Xinjiang. Also in like Abdullah in China, right? Okay, Abdullah hazır devletimizden sayanlarga çıkıp kadar devletlik danlıq çolpan bo'ldi. Shuna, o nima desanglar Abdullah pop singer. Okay, pop singer. Ona degan qaranglar, meyari bir pop singers var. Okay, pop singers. You know, they are from Ireland. Okay, and bu İrlandiyalik moda naqshchilar. Bu nima Westlife boys deymiz. Bular 2012-yili dunyo naqsh sahnasidan chekindi. Mush butun dunyoda eng oxiri 2012-yili ayni vaqt men Beijingdagi vaqtda shu Beijingda shu chag'anning 2-kunchi kuni White Tower chag'anningki chiqib shu vaqtda bir Beijingda shu dunyoning farewell tour deganimiz goodbye deydigan. Demakchi butun dunyo naqsh mastonlarga xo'sh deb qo'yilgan bir kechilik o'tkazib, qanday desanglar, bu naqsh nimasidan chekingan. Endi bular ta şu 99 yıldan ta 2007 yılgacha hamda şu bütün Yevropa cümlelerin bütün dünya intayın gol qozgan intayın dang chiqargan bu pop singerlar. Endi bu to'rtaylar bor. Bular hamda nima desa, şu Shane, okay, qatorliqqanda şu to'rtaylardan tuzilgan pop singerlar hamda bu. Onun lekin bular İrlandiyalik hamda bu mesela şunun plastik kısmı setlish jihatda tarixiy yurib ko'tarayotgan. Hamda Angliya tarixida hamda 34-chi o'rinda turdi ekan. Albatta onun nurg'un necha yuz yil burunqi muzikantlarniki setlab, demakki hamda 34-chi bu nihoyatda yaxshi bir natijada hamda they are really famous. Okay, club. Okay, club nima? Ana uyg'urcha gap bu. Club degan nima desan, uyg'urcha gap. Qaranglar bu nima desan? Masalan, the night club, okay? The kechki klub. Deb adab qo'yamiz o'shnami? Night club. Okay, and an English club. Okay, and the English club. And bu qanday desan, shu ingliz o'yinlar, ingliz orqali, ya'ni shu English club deymiz, ha? Okay, what do you learn in the club? Okay, and bu shu klubda nima o'rgandingiz? Demakki klub. Our club welcomes newcomers. Okay. Bizning klubimiz yangi kelganlarni qarshi oldi. Yangi kelganlarni qarshi oldi, shunami? Yangi kelganlarni club. Okay, club. Klub. Okay, next one is performance. Okay, performance. Hoşçakalın performance deganimiz nima? Shu o'yin qo'ymoq, numar o'rinlamoq. Performance. Demek şu sen qo'yilgan o'yinlarning deymiz performance. Masalan, usto'yni avtdigo dolan usto'ni. That is a performance. Okay, ama yo'l bo'lsa, agar sakrab o'tadigo, serik o'ynadi. That is a performance. Agar sizning natijangiz alohida yoqsa, good performance. Okay, night chiqardingiz, night yaxshi degan. Okay, performance degan shu o'yin qo'ymadi, o'yin o'rnamadi degan gap. Yana they performed well in the concert. Ular intayin şu konsertda demakki şu naqshkechilikda, mushkechilikda nihoyatda o numar yaqinda qildi, qoltis bo'ldi. You performed very well. Okay. Do you find it inspires your performance more? Okay. And nima yarki inspire. Inspire deganimiz ilhomlantirmoq, madad bermak, ilhom bermak, shunami? Do you find it inspires your performance more? And siz shu o'yin qo'yishingizga yoki ishbaringizga texan bir ilhom bergandek his qildingizmi? Find it. Okay, next one is occasion. Daqada mana o'qani occasion. Occasion desa bo'lmaydi. Occasion. Nima deganimiz? Occasion. Ana bu occasion degani nima? So'rin, paid, fursat degan gap. So'rin, paid, fursat. Masalan, special occasion deymiz, ha. Masalan, alohida bir xil fursatlar. Alayda bir xil vaqtlar, so'rinlar, shunami? Masalan, your birthday is a special occasion. Alayda bir paid, shunami? Masalan, Qurban festival, for us, Rose festival, masalan, Qurbayit, Rose etlarni ma'risan, nihoyatda yaxshi bir paidlar, shunami? That's also nima? Occasion. Then you can use music for every occasion. Demakchi, chiqib undaqsen hamma nimaga, hamma so'ringa yoki hamma paytga shu music ishlasang bo'ldi ekan. I have no occasion to see him these days. Demakchi, I have no occasion degan men unda onlayn ko'rishga fursat yo'q. Shunami? Payt yo'q, vaqt yo'q degan gap bo'ldi. And thanks for giving me this opportunity to speak about myself in this special occasion. And bundan aytdi, favqulodda paytda sizni mana shu o'zim to'g'riliq gap qiladigan yoki so'zlaydigan bir fursat berganingizga intayin rahmat deydi. Okay, undaqda mana shu bugungi darsimizdan tekisib qaranglar, savollashlar. So, what is the story about? So, what is the story about? It is a story about a concert. Bir muzikachidagi, or traffic jam, or a car accident. Concert degan shu konsert, muzikachidagi, traffic jam degan shu qatnash qistonchiligi, ishtami? Car accident, mashina voqeasi. Demak, shu bizning hikoyamiz bugungi nima bilan munosabatlik, andaqda bilan qiziqsanglar, naq shu darsimizdan anglash hujjatiga rag'bat qilinglar. Bu anglash hujjatini qo'yildi. Okay.
Lesson 13. The Greenwood Boys. First listen and then answer the question. Why will the police have a difficult time? The Greenwood Boys are a group of pop singers. At present, they are visiting all parts of the country. They will be arriving here tomorrow. They will be coming by train, and most of the young people in the town will be meeting them at the station. Tomorrow evening, they will be singing at the Workers' Club. The Greenwood Boys will be staying for 5 days. During this time, they will give 5 performances. As usual, the police will have a difficult time. They will be trying to keep order. It is always the same on these occasions.
All right, guys. Look, Greenwood Boys are a group of pop singers. Again, the Greenwood Boys. And Greenwood, green deganimiz yeşil, wood degan daraxt, Greenwood degan yeşil o'rmon deb tarjima qilamiz. Endi bu ismni tarjima qilmaymiz, ha. Demakchi Greenwood ballari, Greenwood shu atirda desakchi, are group of pop singers. Okay, ular bo'lsa nima? Bir moda naqsh aytilgan pop moda naqsh shunami? Naqsh aytilgan bir gruppa. Okay? At present, they are visiting all parts of country. Okay, misharki present degan hozir degan gap. At present bo'lsa, naq mush vaqtda hozir they are visiting ular qanaqa qiladi? Ziyorat qilyapti. Okay? All parts of the country. Demakchi, shu davlatning hamma bo'lak puchqoqlarini, bulan puchqoqlarini qanday qiladi? Sayohat qiladi. Demak, they are visiting shu ziyorat qiladi, sayohat qiladi. Demakchi shu orlab qanday qo'yilibdi? Uyoq etibdi, shunami? They will be arriving here tomorrow. And ular aytmishga kelayotgan bo'ldi. Demakchi, kelyotdi. Shunami? Okay, they will be coming by train, and most of the young people in the town will be meeting them at the station. And the ular shu poyezd bilan kelmoqchi. And bu shu bizningki yezi bozorga hamma yosh bolalar ular bilan shu bekatda qanday qilmoqchi, ko'rishmoqchi. Okay, tomorrow evening they will be singing at the Workers' Club. Okay, and at kechda they will be singing. Ular nima qilmoqchi? Naqsh aytmoqchi at the Workers' Club. And the emgakchilar klubida, ishchilar klubida qanday qildi? Naqsh aytmoqchi. Greenwood Boys will be staying for 5 days. And shu Greenwood Boyslar shu musiqa tartib bu yerda 5 kun turmoqchi. During this time they will be giving 5 performances. And mush vaqtda ular 5 numar ko'rsatmoqchi. Demak, 5 meydan numar o'rinlamoqchi, shunami? Okay. As usual, police will have a difficult time. They will be trying to keep order. Okay, and then burunqi o'xshashlar, shu arabtiklar nima? Shu police have a difficult time. Demakchi, soqchilar qiyinchilik yo'l qildi. Demakchi, qiyinchilik uchraydi. They will be trying to keep order. Okay, and then nima qilmoqchi? Ular ham butun kuchini bercha, shu tartibni saqlamoqchi. Okay. It's always the same on this occasion. And then mushunning o'xshash ahvollarda, mushunning o'xshash vaqtlarda, paytlarda, it's always the same. And misal o'xshash. Nima o'xshash? Shu soqchilar shu tartib saqlamoqda. Chunki odamchiq emasmi? Xo'sh, endi true or false? Endi mushunga asosan talab qilinglar. Masalan, Greenwood Boys are a group of actors. True or false? Actors or singers? It's false. They are singers, right? They will be arriving here the day after tomorrow. True or false? No, they are going to here tomorrow. Okay, they will be singing at the Workers' Club tomorrow. And ular aytdi, ishchilar saroyida naqsh aytdi deydi. To'g'rimi? Oh, true, yeah. And they will be staying here for 6 days. How many days? 6 days or 5 days? Of course, it's false. It's 5 days, right? Answer. Ma vaqtlar ekan, vaqtlar bilan ma'ni ekan tanlab olinglar bolalar. Masalan, tomorrow tomorrow evening, yani at present, okay. Qarasanlar mesela at present, tomorrow, okay. Tomorrow they will be arriving. So what will they be doing? They will be arriving tomorrow. At present, they are visiting all parts of the country. They will all be arriving here. Tomorrow evening, okay, tomorrow evening, they will be singing at the workers' club, right? The Greenwood boys will be staying here, okay? They will give 5 performances. Xo'sh, hamsa mush bugungi darsning intayin mag'izliq yerini bir ko'rayotganlar, language focus. At present, they are visiting all parts of the country. And hozir nimish qo'yibdi ular mushu davlatning hamma qismlarini qanday qo'yibdi? Visiting, ziyorat qilibdi, aylanibdi, shunami? And at present, students are preparing for exam. Hozirgi vaqtda bolalar nimish qiladi? Okay. Mushu imtihon tayyorlab qiladi. And he gave his brother a new car as birthday present. Xo'sh, endi musharika present degan ikki xil ma'noda bolalar. Birisini nima desanlar, hozir degan gap. Demakchi, hozir shu at present degan naq mush vaqt degan gap, shunami? Masalan, at present Amerikada tong etayotdi. Desak, masalan, hozir men qarag'im tushayotgan bo'lsa, Amerikada qarayotgan tong etayotdi, shunami? Demak, shu at present hozir. At present deganda yana nima deymiz desangiz, sovg'at. Mana bir gap bor. Yesterday is history. Tunugim bo'lsa bir tarix. Tomorrow is mystery. And the other was a sir. Today is a present. Bugun bo'lsa present. So we call it present. Okay, and this is shom biz uni present deb ataymiz. Demak, endi hozir sizning buguningiz naqmush vaqt siz uchun nima desangiz intayin nihoyat zo'r bo'lgan bir sovg'at. Shunga hoziringizni qadrlang. Attiqwa, atning bilganligini bilmaymiz. Tunugim bo'lsa o'tmish, o'tib ketdi. Demak, hozirgi vaqt eng muhim. Shunga hozirgini qanday qilib tuting. Okay. Shunga and the present ishqilmans va birinchi present sovg'at, masalan birthday present. Tug'ilgan kun sovg'ati, yana birisi at present, hozirgi vaqtda. And the they will be arriving here tomorrow. Okay, masalan airport. Masalan they will arriving in Paris tomorrow. And they will arrive at the airport at 6 p.m. Demek endi bu yerga arrive in degan cho'ng bir doirani bildirdi bolalar. Cho'ng bir doirada degan bo'lsak endi ishlatamiz. Masalan in Kashgar. Kashgar esa bir kichiklar bir yer emas, bir nuqta emas. U nihoyat cho'ng bir doira. Cho'ng in Kashgar deymiz. Masalan in China, in Paris. Agar masalan kichik o'rinlar bor, masalan hospital, at the airport. And u yerga nisbatan qanday desam, nihoyat kichik yer. Shunga u yerga endi masalan at nasam bo'ldi. Masalan at school, at the office, at the hospital, at the airport degandek. Cho'ng o'rinlarga intilgan gap. So they will be coming. Masalan, shu qatnash vositalaridan nimalar kelgandi bolalar? Masalan, poyezd bilan, demakchi poyezdga chiqib bo'lsa by train. And the minute posture on foot. Okay, on foot. And the aeroplane bilan by plane. Yakin sekli by air deymiz. Air degan havo, and the havo bilan by air. And the macho by bus avtobus bilan. And the by ship. Okay, yaki by sea deydi. Dengiz bilan degan gap. Shu dengiz bilan degani ham bishara paraxtga chiqib degan gap bo'ldi. So they will be trying to keep order. Okay, and the keep order degan shu tartibni saqlamoq. Okay, and many people rushed up to the supermarket. So what will the police be doing? Okay, of course, police will try to keep order. Right? The students are talking loudly in the class. So what will the teacher be doing? And the bolalar sizlarcha o'qituvchi nima ish qildi masalan? Shu bolalar tartib saqlamaganda. Okay, he will try to keep what order? Xo'sh, hamsa bu bugungi darsimizniki language focus nuqtasi gapdi. Hamsa mana shu keyingi sonimizniki grammar focus diqqat qilamiz. Okay. Alright, әмсә grammar focus қаралына sağlayasın. Әмді бұның da asaslık ne mərəsənlə? Bu şu will be doing. Deməkçə, kəlgüsü davamlaşı atqan zaman. Məsələn, they are singing. Okay? You know, they will sing. They will be singing. Demək əmdə birisi they are singing. Hazır davamlaşı atqan zaman. Yəni, birisi kəlgüsü var. Şimdi şikisini qoşqanda demək, they will be singing. Kəlgüsü davamlaşı atqan zaman. Kəlgüsü davamlaşı atqan zaman. They will be doing. Əmdə mani mərəsənlə V-ing. Deməkçə, V deyilimiz verb, peel'nin ing şəkli düşünəmə. Yəni, ikincisi mərəsənlə will, shall da ba, onun dikənəndə V, peel'nin ki, əsl şəkli. Şunu onu will be, shall be doing. Məsələn, find the same structure in the sentence. Əmdə bu, oxşaş bir structure təbəqinlə bala. Məsələn, they will be arriving here tomorrow. Okay, məsələn, onlar əyətdə, mən nəqmaq ki, bir getib gelməkdir. Məsələn, burada tekstimizdə baxın, məsələn, tekstimizdə qara baxaydı. Məsələn, they will be coming by train. Onlar əyətdə, neymədə? Poyuzda gedəvatı da o. And most of the young people in the town will be meeting them at the station. Deyəndək. Məsələn, tomorrow evening they will be singing at the workers' club. The Greenwood boys will be staying for 5 days. Demək, həmisi canlay cincin. Mesela they will be trying to keep or muşlarının əmmisini verirsən şu kəlgisi davamlışı atqan zaman. Demək ki, bunun ki şəkli will ya shall and then be ne verirsən peel'in ing şəkli. Sen they will be trying to keep or will be staying for 5 days. Generally, that's perfect. So, okay, that's perfect. So, guys, do you have any question? If you have any question, so you can send me some message by our app or our WeChat platform. And that's all for today. And see you next time. Goodbye.